Zucchini is packed with many important vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It has a high fiber content. Fiber plays an important role in digestion. The iron, phosphorus, calcium, magnesium, and zinc in potatoes all help the body to build and maintain bone structure and strength. Potatoes contain significant amounts of fiber. Fiber helps lower the total amount of cholesterol in the blood, thereby decreasing the risk of heart disease. Zucchini contains zeaxanthin and several other compounds that can play a role in preventing oxidative stress. This, in turn, may limit the likelihood of developing cancer.